Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for May 2025. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Libra. What's coming to you ngayong May 2025? Actually, astrologically, ngayong May, medyo mas maganda ang energy niya kumpara ng April. Kasi, isa lang yung planet na magre-retrograde. So, lahat yan nakadirect. Yung planet na yon is Pluto sa May 4, which is the planet of transformation. So, maaring meron kang mga kailangan i-reassess sa buhay mo, kung ano yung mga bagay, sitwasyon na kailangan mo na i-let go. For a change, oo. Depende yan kung nasaan yung Aquarius sa inyong natal chart para sa mga may alam sa astrology. Okay, so let's see, Libra. Tingnan natin. Ano yung energies for Libra ngayong May 2025? Okay, so you have the second house, wow, which is your finances, yung iyong skills, talents mo. You have the sun. Sun in Aquarius, wow, okay. So, sun in Aquarius is about your strength, yung lakas mo. Lakas mo para kumita ng pera. Lakas ng loob mo para maging kakaiba. Mag-stand out, no? Against the crowd. Kumbaga, parang let's say yung iba sa inyo, halimbawa sa lugar ninyo, lahat nagtitinda ng halo-halo. So ngayon magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob na magtitinda ka rin ng halo-halo, pero iba yung twist na igagawin mo. So, mas magsa-stand out ka kahit pare-pareho na kayong halo-halo ang tinitinda. Ganon. So, it's like a certain flavor ng sarili mo, or parang, how can I say that, no? Na, yung parang may signature na ikaw lang yun. You are unique. Yun yung parang makakapag distinguish na ikaw yun. 'Di ba? So, the sun is also your power. So, I think you have powerful energies when it comes to your finances. Meron kang mga bagong ideas, bagong sources of income na papasukin ngayong May. Oo. And yung iba rin, this is about self-discovery. So, maaring may i-discover ka na bagong talents or skills mo. Or yung iba naman, alam nyo na, andyan na yan, innate na yan sa inyo, i-develop nyo na lang. Oo. And I feel like this is going to bring you more income, more money ngayong buwan ng May. Ayan. You also have Lagos. This is about your emotions. You are in the flow. Malakas yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo. May mga decision ka na parang, alam mo yung parang biglaan na lang, no? Na you will decide na, ito gagawin ko to. Kasi you just feel na ito yung best for you. And eventually, na ma-realize mo na, totoo nga, yun yung best para sa'yo. So, it's like your lucky charm ngayong May na yung iyong judgment, yung iyong discernment, very clear. Kasi you know what you want. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Oo. You have Isa, which is about stasis, obstacle, and also you have Ansus, which is wisdom. So, kung magkaroon man ng challenge, obstacle sa buhay mo ngayong May, magagawan mo agad yun ng solusyon. I think kalmado ka lang na haharapin to. Hindi ka yung tipong magpapanik na, oh my God, ano tong problema na to, ganyan. Parang you will see it as a challenge na kailangan mong isolve, para siyang exam na, ayan, ito yung formula, or ito yung kailangan mong isolve na problem. So, ang importante, alam mo na yung formula para ma-solve yun. So, magiging madali na lang para sa'yo. So, this is also about you preparing for that, no? This is your spiritual knowledge, yung spiritual wisdom. Yung iba rin sa inyo, matatag yung inyong paniniwala sa inyong sarili, and also yung faith nyo kay God, faith nyo sa universe, ano man yung pina-follow nyo na religion. So, this is also going to help you get through with a challenge na yan, no? Yung challenge na maaring inyong kaharapin. Kasi, lahat naman ng challenges natin, kailangan natin yan for us to grow, to learn a lesson. So, ang importante is meron tayong natututunan na lesson doon sa challenges na yon. Kasi yun yung magagamit mo the next time na maka-experience ka ng similar situation. 'Di ba? Alam mo na yung gagawin mo kasi na-experience mo na yun before. Love. Okay. So, for you, Libra, maaring there's a new love coming in if you are looking for a relationship. True love ito. Uy, ang ganda. Meron ka ng love, meron ka pang abundance. So, this is a good flow of money or yung mga needs mo. Your needs are all met. I think the more na mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, the more na ibibless ka doon sa ginagawa mo. 'Di ba? Let's say, your passion talaga is painting, or you are tapping into your talents and your skill set. Tapos, nag-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo. And money will follow. Abundance will follow. You also have letting go. So, I think some of you are going to let go of anything that is no longer serving you. And you will tune into your, to your manifestation skills. So, kumbaga, you will realize, no? Meron ka ng wisdom, karunungan, kaalaman, para malaman kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo ng bitawan. Kasi alam mo, hindi na yon sa'yo nakakabuti. At para ma-free up yung space mo at may bago kang ma-manifest sa buhay mo, no? With these magical powers. Because this is about your manifestation skills. Let's see what else for Libra. You have the 7 of Wands. You are setting boundaries, Libra. Hindi mo na hinahayaan na i-take advantage ka ng iba or pakialaman ng iba yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. You have the Page of Swords. You're very curious. You always want to learn. The Knight of Pentacles. I think meron kang pag-aaralan, i-research regarding a career or a business or bagong source of income. Kaya meron ka ritong magandang energy pagdating sa iyong finances. Yung iba, pwede tong may natututunan ka kung paano i-manage yung kaperahan mo. Na dati, hindi mo alam, kaya somehow, nagiging messed up or magulo yung pera mo, yung finances mo. But you are now learning, you know how to handle money, alam mo yung halaga ng pera at hindi mo na yan parang babalewalain na lang na bahala na si Batman, no? So, you will be more aware of your spending habits. Wow, you have the 3 of Wands, which is expansion. Oo, pagpapaunlad. Kung meron kang trabaho, mas magiging maganda ang takbo ng trabaho mo. Pwedeng may mga opportunities na mag-open sa'yo na makakatulong for promotion and increase of income. Sa business naman, mas maraming, para mas dumadami yung mga negosyo mo. You have the 4 of Swords and the High Priestess. So, sa ngayon, no, ang nasisense ko sa inyo, Libra, is pag meron kang challenge, talagang nananahimik ka at ginagawan mo siya ng paraan. Kumbaga, you are tapping into your higher self, you are tuning in to your divine guidance. And sa pamamagitan nun, dun mo nare-realize na ito pala yung dapat kong gawin. So, hindi ka magpapanik, no? Kalmado ka. So, di ba kapag ang isang tao kalmado sa isang sitwasyon na talagang medyo stressful, nagiging madali para sa kanila na makapag-isip ng solusyon. Okay. So, you have law and order. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kailangang i-process na documents, paperworks, pwedeng sa permit yan sa bahay, sa trabaho, sa business ninyo. Yung iba, you will be part of a charitable work. Pwedeng mag-volunteer ka. You have a decision to reconsider pagdating sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, or sa finances mo. So, kailangan mo muna talagang pag-isipan bago ka mag-go. And then, for your relationship, meron person dito na regretful sa actions niya. Mm. Pero you have other options. So I think itong person na to na regretful sa actions niya kasi sa tingin niya akala niya hindi mo at akala niya kailangan na kailangan mo siya, pero nung na-realize niya siya pala yung mas may kailangan sa'yo. Oo. A goal-oriented person, so that's going to be you. Meron ditong bago kang ipi-play na different role. So, pwedeng meron kang gagawin, activities, or meron kang opportunity or responsibility ngayong may na naiiba kumpara sa dati. So, some of you are going to deal with or may relationship sa mas bata na person. So, this can be the person that you're working with or romantic connection. Yeah. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring related din sa sexual connection to, but be very careful, okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you.